job. Let's see a few sounds, few words. Hi.
Talk to him.
Hi.
I'm talking.
Thank you. That's going to help a lot of animals. Part of the proceeds go to the Foothills Land Conservancy, and they buy up land and set it aside as safe havens for animals. They bought up a lot of land right around the Smoky Mountains, so they'll never be developed. Does that make you excited? Yes, it does. Say hi. You say hi? You guys have any questions you want to ask? No, they'll bite. See that big beak? Huge. It's made to crack open nuts. You can actually break a broomstick in half with that. Imagine what that would do to a beaker. He won't even let me pet him, and I've worked with him for 10 years. Yeah, that's funny. Feed him sunflowers. What else does he eat? He actually, for his meal, he eats fruits and vegetables, and then he gets a pelleted diet that's got all the nutrients that he needs in it. It's called Pretty Bird. But for treats, we give him sunflowers.
In the wild, don't they eat some sort of clay?
They do. They'll go to the clay licks to get minerals and things from them.